Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to change brightness now. First, make sure the laptop is plugged in or has sufficient battery. Changing display power settings while critical can be inconsistent. Open Start, choose Settings, then System and Display to expose the brightness slider and adaptive options. You want to locate both the primary slider and the adaptive brightness toggle because they interact. Disabling adaptive first prevents automatic overrides. Once done, slide to a visible level and observe screen response to confirm you're in control. Now refine brightness using both Windows controls and Dell utilities. You can press the FN plus the brightness keys on your keyboard for immediate changes, which is faster for quick checks. If the display still fluctuates, make sure to disable adaptive or ambient light sensors inside display settings because those will override manual inputs. Next, open Dell Power Manager or Quick Set to select a profile. These apps can lock brightness per power mode and explain why values differ between plugged and on-battery states. Finish by saving brightness into the active power plan so values persist across reboots. Go to Control Panel, Power Options, then change plan settings and confirm both plugged and battery levels. If brightness controls are unresponsive, update the display and Intel or AMD graphics drivers. Driver mismatch often blocks OS sliders. If problems continue, reboot and, when necessary, reset BIOS defaults or reinstall the display adapter in Device Manager. Make sure to test after each step so you isolate the exact fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.